today. The little visitors back. Jessica. Hey, hey, hey. My name is Jessica. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, 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 yeah. How are you today? No, I'm fine, I'm fine. I need something to eat. Yeah. She's also a little monster machine. Yeah, look. I'm a girl. Yeah. Okay. So, Brave New World. I have to do the job. Well, look, like on the Mars. The Mars mission isn't greater. So yesterday work was pretty successful. We did a good job, think so. Now we mix the aqua stop from the company Venetia, something like that. Don't forget, I pick up no money. It's only as an information. And now it's time to do the mix. Looks, little pier looks at the moment, yeah, like a used boat. Wow.
Bist du sicher? Ich krieg das nicht richtig gerührt.
Yeah, hop, hop.
Oh Gott.
Hop, hop, all together. Next job today is painting the second layer aqua stop. Look, I'm really happy. It's a fantastic blue. And yeah. Oof. Really nice. We need it a little bit rough for the next layer. Bring down the dust. Oh, look how beautiful. I'm happy. So tomorrow primer. Still waiting for rain. Hope it is drying a little bit before. Okay. I think so. It's not a big problem. beautiful in blue. No, it is whatever. Okay. Beautiful blue is gone, but primer is on the ship. And now still waiting. Little lunchtime and then next painting. Ha ha ha. Important for the job. Kammküsse. Oh, one more? Ah, yeah. So, second round is ready. Me too. Wow. Still waiting for drying. Hope I can bring up today the first layer of first painting of antifouling. And then I'm happy man is tired. This man is also a little bit tired. And look, dramatic in the sky. But at the moment, no rain. Oh, garbage. But look, pretty nice. But for me, not so good. I like to do the antifouling, but during raining, it is not possible. Okay. Wow. What a blue. The last layer of antifouling. Ta-da! Unbelievable. I never had before a product like that. It is so liquid, so you can't do the painting well under the boat. So it's full of blue. Oh, a lot of blue. Look, and yum. Not a good product. Yesterday I used from Care the old antifouling, and it was perfect, fantastic. And the new product is, sorry, look, it's not possible to do the painting. I tried like a cross, I tried anything, and also the Deckkraft. The blue is like a joke. In the can, it's wow, fantastic blue. But look, I have a lot of. If you do a second run on the boat. It's also like a joke. You put with the first run color on the boat, and if you like to do it again, look like this. It's like a delete button. Yeah, also. No. It's I like to write nice. So now I did a phone call before with the company 2 months ago, and that's nice people. Everything was okay. I asked about if there's a problem to use the old antifouling and on top the new one, and the guy said to me, no, it's no problem. So it's the same product. We changed only a little bit, but it's compatible. And now I have the result. Yesterday the old antifouling color, fantastic. Yes, easy painting, so beautiful in gray or papyrus white. But today the blue is, you can see it. Not so nice. In the video it looks much better than in reality. Oh, I'm not happy. Not happy, And it was not my fault. I asked the other guy here at the yard, please try to paint this, and he did it, and he is a very, professional painter. And he said, well, it's not possible. And I said, okay, thank you. Yeah, where's the bottle of champagne? Okay, next week. Color department. So, whoop.
Holiday.
Yeah.
With me also. I am also in the holiday.
Yeah. Happy people on the seaside, yeah?
Måste vara sant.
Happy people. Okay.